Good morning friends, this is Ronald here from Fundamental Research. I am here to talk about Q4 FY13 construction earnings preview. On a whole, for the Sharekhan universe excluding Punj Lloyd and IVRCL, we are expecting net revenue degrowth of 0.3%, which is on the basis of lower execution in the sector. Apart from this, we are expecting higher interest and depreciation costs to take a toll on net profit. We are expecting net profit to degrow by about 27.5%. The numbers I am speaking about are excluding Punj and IVRCL. For interest cost, we are expecting about 38% YOY rise in interest burden for all of the EPC companies. If we see as a percentage of sales, then it is about 5.2%, which has doubled over the last 2 years. If we speak about the asset developers have been performing very well compared to the EPC companies, but this time around they too would be suffering the toll of higher depreciation and interest cost. We see that ITNL is expected to register about 9% YOY growth in revenues and IRB about 13.5% growth in revenues. However, there will be mixed bag for the margins. Degrowth of about 84 basis points for IRB and a growth of about 134 basis points for ITNL. Apart from this, higher interest and depreciation cost would take a toll on these asset developers, and we are expecting that ITNL would be registering a growth of about just 1.3% at the bottom line and IRB of about 4.4% growth. For the small EPC companies too, we are expecting a mixed bag. The smaller EPC players like Gayatri Projects, Pratibha Industries and Unity Projects, they too would be having a toll on because of lower execution coupled with higher depreciation and interest cost. We are expecting on the net profit front a flat to negative growth for these three companies. If we talk about the outlook for the whole sector, we are expecting an improvement from FY14 onwards. We are expecting PMO's direct intervention in the policy measures. The thrust on improving the execution of the stalled projects would bear some result in FY14 onwards. Also, if we talk about monetary easing, and if there is a monetary easing through RBI, then we are expecting the interest burden to gradually decline. So this would improve the situations growing ahead, but it will take its own time. However, there would be a divergence across the companies in terms of performance, be it execution, be it improvement in margins and net profit improvement. So overall, we prefer companies that have relatively better order inflows and better execution in the sector. We are very positive on companies like ITNL and Pratibha. Thank you very much.